Hello and welcome again to the training centre. Now I'm sure that you already know that with our Speed-TEC system we have the fastest refinish process available in the market today. But not being ones to rest on our laurels, we're always trying to continuously develop and improve where we can. And using the latest Axalta technology, we now have our new Speed-TEC 8810 Clear Coat. And this will add a completely different dimension to the whole system. I'm joined in the spray booth by Evgeny, the Speed-TEC training leader. I'm going to ask Evgeny to take you through the main features and highlights of this clear while I go off and mix it, and I'm then going to come back and put that story into practice.
Let me start with the hardeners. These are the same as we already have in the system, plus new additional extra slow hardener, and we keep easy 2:1 mixing ratio. Besides our productive 1.5 coat, now you can apply in 2 coats with very short or even without intermediate flash off. And this flexibility and new advanced Axalta chemistry allows you to match the original finish as found on the modern cars. Hardening of any of our base coats is still mandatory, as you might know if you use 8800 Clear Coat, but the new generation 8810 Clear Coat was designed as part of Speed-TEC System, and there is no need anymore to harden high-tech base coat for 80 if any of our Speed-TEC surfacers were used underneath.
Evgeny has given us the story of the new Clear Coat, and I'm actually ready to apply it. But before I start, Evgeny, talk me through the application process, please.
This time, let's go for 2 coats with very short intermediate flash off, because it's what most our customers do. For this job, it will actually mean you start on this side, goes around, and then immediately continues with the second coat again.
Let's get it done. Okay, Evgeny, I've cleaned the gun, the clear coat is flashed. What are my options for drying?
You know, Tony, with Speed-TEC System, you have full control. You can be super fast or energy efficient.
What about if I wanted something in between?
Then, in this case, I would go for 15 minutes at 40 degrees. It combines all benefits. Look, Tony, the clear is completely dry even after such a short bake.
Yeah, I know, but not only that, look at the gloss, the full depth appearance, and you know, most of all, the ability to be able to apply it in 2 full coats with a short flash off time and have complete confidence. You know, Evgeny, with all of these features, this is a great addition to the system.
Absolutely, Tony. And I think the new Speed-TEC Clear Coat 8810, it's a winner.